Hi, welcome to the market alert for Wednesday, the 24th of August 2016. So yesterday, as we saw on Monday, the market filling a potential buy order, and then the market reversing for a loss of 36 points between the two entry points of the buy and of the sell, which switched the trade to the opposite direction. We then see the market break through the 20-point scalp, trade sideways, come back to it but not close above it, and then eventually making its way down to the 18,550 level to recoup some, or if not all, of the actual losses that were seen in the first trade. And then the market, well, it just went sideways, and it's become even more quiet in the early hours of the morning, and then we just had this spike to the downside below the 18,550 level. In the daily chart, still this coiling effect going on. You can see how narrow the range has been now during the last 2 weeks, and no doubt this is coming to a close as we head off into September at the Jackson Hole Symposium and the Fed's press conference on Friday, I think that is. And so it'll be interesting to see what Yellen has to say about the whole of the meeting. Don't hold your breath. It'd be enough to move the markets back to the all-time high, no doubt, what it wants to hear. And then a case of hopefully normal service resuming after this weekend's holiday weekend. It's the bank holiday in the UK, and I'm sure the US has a holiday as well, which I will check as we get closer to it. So there is a bit of light at the end of the tunnel now. We're getting towards the end of the summer holiday and vacation period. News-wise today, well, we've only got the usual crude oil inventories out at 330. Crude oil's been quite active of late. If I just show you a chart of this so you can see. So the market's likely to react to this news. You can see there the market's been brought back from $40 to nearly $50 a barrel, nearly a $10 rise during the month of August when it's been quiet for the stock market. The crude oil market has moved quite high there, but I say quite a good retracement in this market for the last 2 weeks. So finally we've got the implied volatility, 984 up from 961 yesterday, another new record low in the historic volatility, down at 5.41. You can see that in the chart there as it now falls off the bottom of the chart, but that implied volatility still trading in that sideways curling and coiling effect there. So a big move coming in this market. It's just a matter of having to sit out say the summer vacation period, which is near enough coming to a close as the schools return back to normal the week after next, and then it's everything else should start to see things moving once again. Right, that's it for today. Like I say, watch the first part of the session. Second session is likely to be a non-starter, but like I say, always keep in mind that even when it's quiet, there's something building just down the line, matter of in this case just a week or so. So remain deadly calm and amazingly cheerful despite what's going on, and then you will reap the rewards as the volatility starts to increase. Right, that's it for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition. We'll let you know if anything else happens. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.